Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on Oppo Pad 2. And to do this we'll need to click and open our Google Chrome browser, then select the three dots in the top right corner of our screen and move to the settings. Enter the password manager. Right here we can go for that gear icon and enable offer to save the password. Now go back and open any website that you want to save the passwords for. In this case, I will use the Facebook. Enter the password and try to log in. After a few seconds, we should see this pop-up to save the password. Let's save it and go back to the password manager. Right here, you'll find the passwords for the Facebook. In this case, there's two different accounts that are saved, and there's the one that we just created. Now we can click on that I button to see the password. We can also edit the password and the email or username by clicking on Edit. Make sure to save it afterwards. Now, in case you want to delete that password, click on Delete button and remove it just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.